All right, let's get you some breaking news coming in on the broadcast. This is regarding the latest as far as the battleground Bihar is concerned. Tejasvi Yadav has attacked Prime Minister Modi, hit back at the Katta salvo, where he has said that, in fact, this is Tejasvi Yadav saying that we have never seen such low-level language used by a Prime Minister. What is the language that he's using? He should say something useful and share the vision and list out the works that he has done and not speak in this language. We have a soundbite. Let's play that out of Tejasvi Yadav, and then we'll also get you exactly what really happens as far as battleground Bihar is concerned. But first up, Tejasvi Yadav in his latest attack on the Prime Minister.
जैसी सोच है, जिसकी जैसी भावना है, हम लोगों की भावना नहीं, हम लोग नकारात्मक बात नहीं करते। प्रधानमंत्री जी को पता नहीं ऐसे शब्दों से क्यों प्यार है। गुजरात जाते तो फैक्ट्री लगाने की बात करते, बिहार आते तो पट्टे चलाने की बात करते। हमने आज तक इतना प्रधानमंत्री जी का गिरा हुआ स्तंभ नहीं देखा। भाषा का क्या बोली बोलते हैं, अरे काम की बात करें प्रधानमंत्री जी, अपना विजन बताए, अपना हिसाब दे, ऐसी बातें करें।
All right, that's the big story that's breaking in as far as battleground Bihar is concerned. Tejasvi Yadav has hit back at the Prime Minister. You heard that soundbite where he's saying that the Prime Minister should do something constructive, and the language that he has used is not correct. Now, what really happened, viewers? If you're tuning in right now, let's walk you through the big political story that's really breaking out as far as battleground Bihar. Prime Minister Modi hit out at the Mahagathbandhan, saying that the Congress party did not want to let go of the Chief Minister post. They did so only at gunpoint, when RJD in fact extracted the Chief Minister post out of Congress party on gunpoint. That's what he said, that katta rakh ke CM post nikalwai hai. To that, you have a response coming in from Tejasvi Yadav saying that the Prime Minister is using language that doesn't behoove. Clearly, this is temperatures are heating up ahead of the first phase of elections that are slated for the 6th of November. In fact, after Prime Minister Modi slammed the Mahagathbandhan, taking a jibe at the RJD, saying the party had taken the chief ministerial post on gunpoint, the PM said he had inside information that Congress was unwilling to give the chief ministerial post to the RJD and implied that this was forcibly taken. RJD's Tejasvi Yadav responded to these remarks, counter-questioning the PM if he used Katta to get other parties into the NDA alliance. Remember, these are just days to go before the first election, and now it's pretty much a no-holds-barred contest. Tejasvi Yadav also said that these comments don't suit the Prime Minister's post. Not to be left behind, Congress Chief Kharge called these comments blatant lies, said that it is laughable for a PM to be spreading these lies. One needs to keep this in context. As I said, it's now a no-holds-barred contest as political temperatures are rising ahead of the first phase of elections slated for the 6th of November. Listen in to some of those reactions coming in.
भाइयों और बहनों, आरजेडी और कांग्रेस को विकास की भाषा समझ ही नहीं आती है। आरजेडी और कांग्रेस की डिक्शनरी में क्या शब्द है, क्या भावनाएं भरी पड़ी है, क्या आदतें जुड़ी हुई है, आरजेडी और कांग्रेस इनकी डिक्शनरी में कट्टा, क्रूरता, कटुता, कुसंस्कार, कुशासन और करप्शन ऐसे ही शब्द भरे पड़े हैं। जंगल राज की पाठशाला में इन्होंने बस यही सीखा है।
दूसरा कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं है। मैं उसका उत्तर आज मध्य प्रदेश बिहार में दूंगा, और वो जो कह रहे हैं ये सब झूठ है। कोई बंदूक लेके तुम्हारे को चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाओ कहता भी नहीं और कहेगा भी नहीं। कांग्रेस ऐसे चीज़ों को कभी किसी के साथ व्यवहार नहीं किया। ये मोदी जी इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री होके ऐसी बातें करते हैं तो मुझे हंसी आती है। तो इससे ये मालूम होता है कि उनका जो लेवल है, जो एक प्रधानमंत्री के लेवल पे जो बात करना है, वो छोड़ के वो बिहार में चुनाव के लिए जो बात करना है वो कर रहे हैं।
बिहार का दुर्भाग्य ही है ना, और इस भारत का दुर्भाग्य है ना कि ऐसा प्रधानमंत्री मिला है। कट्टा चल रहा है मोकामा में, मंच से प्रधानमंत्री जी की बिहार को लेके और बिहार के युवाओं के लिए क्या सोच है, ये उनकी सोच को दर्शाता है कि एक तरफ तेजस्वी बात कर रहे हैं रोजगार की, फैक्ट्री लगाने की, नौकरी देने की, और दूसरे तरफ इस देश का प्रधानमंत्री बिहार में आके कट्टे की बात करता है। तभी ना इन लोगों के एनडीए के नेताओं का इतना मन बढ़ा हुआ है बिहार में। आए दिन ये लोग कट्टा चलाते हैं आम जनता पे, निहत्थे लोगों पे। जब इस देश का प्रधानमंत्री ही इस तरह की भाषा का प्रयोग करेगा तो आप बाकी लोगों से किस तरह का उम्मीद रखिएगा।
प्रधानमंत्री जी की ये भाषा नहीं होनी चाहिए, ये तो किसी बिल्कुल मतलब देसी गुंडे की भाषा समझ में आती है। दूसरी बात बहुत महत्वपूर्ण यह है कि मुझे तो भाजपा से ये पूछना है कि क्या आपने पूरी तरह से नीतीश कुमार को किनारे लगा दिया? कल पटना में रोड शो कर रहे थे प्रधानमंत्री जी और नीतीश कुमार जी उनके साथ क्यों नहीं थे? क्या ललन सिंह से उनको रिप्लेस कर दिया गया है? ललन सिंह जी ने बाद में स्टेटमेंट दिया और ये कहा कि बाद में विधायक दल चुनेगा। प्रधानमंत्री जी जो ये कह रहे हैं, हम महागठबंधन ने तो खुल करके अपना मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा घोषित कर दिया, लेकिन एनडीए ने अब तक नीतीश कुमार जी को अपना चेहरा क्यों घोषित नहीं किया? पहली चीज। दूसरा, कल पटना में होने के बावजूद नीतीश कुमार जी को अपने साथ क्यों नहीं रखा प्रधानमंत्री जी ने?
All right, let's get in Aishwarya Jain, my colleague who's been tracking this story closely for us. Aishwarya, it's now a no-holds-barred contest. Political heat is really rising in Bihar ahead of the first phase, and you're seeing a very sharp attack that's coming in from the Mahagathbandhan on the Prime Minister.
Well, certainly, massive political war of words taking place in the state of Bihar as far as the campaigning is concerned. Prime Minister Narendra Modi openly stating that it was first the Congress party who put the katta on the on the faces of the RJD before announcing their chief ministerial face, and now Prime Minister went on to say that this is a kind of words that RJD and Congress have there in their dictionary as far as bad governance is concerned, katta is concerned, corruption is concerned, to which there are reactions that have been poured in. The RJD and the Congress have stated that this kind of language by the Prime Minister is certainly disgraceful for the country. He comes to Bihar and uses such language which clearly shows that what sort of mindset the people of NDA holds, and it is Prime Minister and the NDA leaders in countering to it, stating that it's an open truth that when there was Jungle Raj, when there was Lalu governance in the state of Bihar, there were open murders, kidnapping, extortions, and crime ratio was huge, and whosoever tried to stop that in the state of Bihar, they had faced bullets in their faces, and therefore the reason perhaps it was called a Jungle Raj. But only after Nitish Kumar became the chief minister, Jungle Raj ended, and once again it is the NDA who is trying to say that if the Mahagathbandhan comes into the power, then Jungle Raj will come back. But certainly it is claims and counter-claims, allegations and counter-allegations, charges and the counter-charges what we are witnessing currently as far as the entire episode in Bihar is concerned.